Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're about to join a Teams meeting. First, sign in and confirm the app versus browser choice because features differ. Once signed in, go to Settings Devices and pick your camera, microphone, and speakers. Test them so audio and video work. Make sure notifications won't interrupt you. Then open the meeting link or calendar entry and click Join. If a lobby appears, wait for the organizer to admit you. This gets you into the meeting quickly and reliably. Once in the meeting, manage your presence. Mute or unmute quickly with the mic button and toggle your camera. Use background blur if your surroundings are distracting. When presenting, click Share and select your whole screen, a specific window, or PowerPoint. Enable system audio when playing video so others hear sound. Use the chat for links and the raise hand feature to avoid interruptions. Keep the participants' pane open when necessary. To monitor, to finish, click Leave or, if you're the organizer, end meeting to close the session for everyone. Download important chat content or files before leaving. If audio or video problems arise, first switch input or output devices in Settings, then restart Teams. Make sure the app has camera and microphone permissions at the OS level. If recording is missing, check OneDrive or SharePoint after processing. These steps wrap up the meeting cleanly and resolve the common technical hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.